Carlene S. Cedilia, the Schools Division Superintendent, CESO 5, and the presentation and certification made by the school principal, Dr. Adora Tiaño, that you had satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the K-12 basic education curriculum for the junior high school. You are now confirmed as completers of Don Alejandro Roses Senior Science and Technology School for school year 2025 and 2026. Congratulations to all of you.
I would like to present to you the advisor of Grade 10 Amity, Mrs. Marilyn T. Sanford. They will be assisted by our PSDS, Ma'am Galisa, and our school head, Mama Dora Tiaño, and our head teachers.
Good morning. It is indeed a great pride and honor to present to you the junior high completers of grade 10 Amity. Sean Prince S. Aguila. James Anthony S. Guzman. Alex Brennan B. Reyes. James Brennan B. Reyes. J. Nazar O. Pingham. Wendell A. G. Herrera.
At this moment, we shine the spotlight on the dedication and excellence of our children on stage to share in this well-deserved moment of pride and celebration. They will be assisted by our school principal, Mama Dora Tiaño, our PSDS.
Good morning once again. We are proud to recognize the academic excellence of our grade 10 students who've shown remarkable achievement and perseverance. Please join us in congratulating our outstanding awardees. With honors, Aguila Sean Prince S.
At alalahanin lagi na maging bukas at patuloy ang inyong pagtagumpay sa buhay. So God bless, mabuhay po kayo.
Next, Mayor Belmonte remains a strong partner in educational development.
Daanan para marating ang araw na ito. Ang sabay-sabay na gawain, mahihirap na pagsusulit, at iba't ibang responsibilidad sa loob at labas ng silid-aralan. Sa kabila ng lahat ng ito, narito kayo ngayon upang tanggapin ang inyong pinaghirapang diploma, isang patunay na inyong pagsisikap at determinasyon sa pag-aaral.
Go!
Everybody, give yourself a round of applause.
Our esteemed guests, our school's division superintendent, Dr. Carlene S. Sedelia, Sesopay. Thank you. We, the members of class 2026,
We, the members of Class 2026,
do solemnly pledge to uphold the moral and spiritual values That's so that this nation may be lifted from social poverty.
Loki na. Congratulations, baby! We're so proud of you. Oh, mag-sanitizer ka muna. Okay. Ayun yung mga food doon, oh. Sashimi. Ano yan? Salmon. Yeah. Dito. Doon tayo, walo. Nagpakuha ko ng high chair para kay Ellie. Diyan na lang si Ellie sa gitna para yung high chair dyan ilagay. Upong kayo. Ano, mag-study ka? Mag-study.
And one more egg. And some Japanese beans.
Oh, huwag.
Ready po kayo mag-try kung gusto nyo, ma'am, sir?
Gusto mo mag-try?
Anybody?
No, ate.
Okay, now hold your weapon. Mali ang gagawin natin. Record lang natin ito. Toss and such egg. Ang best na nga, toss. And such egg, ha? Alright, practice tayo. Toss and such. Toss and such. Kailangan sasalin mo na ng agento. Kung sasalin ng agento. Baka sa mga tugi Muslim ang sa mukha nila. Ready ka na? Ready.
Okay, baby. Taasan mo. 1.
Taas lang ha. Dapat dito lang babagsak ang itlog, ha?
Sasaluhin mo, ha?
Okay, ready? And 3, 2, 1. Thank you for trying natin.
Clap for ate. Ano? Okay ka dyan? Dalawa. Ayan.
Ano po po sa inyo po?
Ilan yung order namin ito, chef?
Bali, 4 po.
Ah, okay. Sa inyo yung isa.
Shrimp po.
Ang palang technique. Lupit. Ang bilib ka naman. Mama na, bilib ito no. Bilib sa'yo eh. Nakatulala eh. Galing ano? Anong gagawin dyan? Manood ka lang. Sarap yan. Andyan na, masarap yan. Ate Summer, try mo yung scallops, masarap yan.
Ay, ayaw man.
Sarap yan, bigyan mo. Saan si Summer? Ano, okay ba kayo dyan? Sarap. Ano, baby?
Kuha sa tali.
Ah, okay.
Sa CR.
Ah, CR siya. Sarap pa, no?